Thieves steal cars, keys, and titles from a dealership in Hawaii. We try to stay on top of these stories just because theft is crazy and we work with a ton of car dealerships. The problem is the thieves went in, stole all of the keys, stole $120,000 worth of vehicles, and they have to do tons of legwork to go retrieve titles that were also stolen. The thieves definitely had a plan. They went in there and they frankly executed well. The one thing that would have been a godsend for these guys is GPS tracking. And we do a lot of lot management and we track a lot of car dealers' vehicles. We see theft all too often to where it's kind of crazy that there's not trackers on everything at this point. For a lot of people, it might look like a large investment compared to any sort of insurance, but then you see something like this happen and you have $120,000 in vehicles that will likely never be found again, especially because it's legitimate. They have titles, they have keys and everything. This is just one major example of kind of the extreme, but we see valuable assets disappearing every single day. If you have anything specific that you need to keep track of, we have a solution, different trackers for everything. Reach out to us. My name is Nate. We are GPS and Track, and my direct is 480-604-5449. Give us a call.